we have learned how to find out LCM and how to find out HCF. Okay, today I am going to teach you the relationship between HCF and LCM. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Students, the product of HCF and LCM of two natural numbers is equal to the product of the numbers. That means HCF multiply LCM is equal to the product of the numbers. Okay, let's see the example given in the textbook. Open page number 65 of your textbook. Okay, see, consider two numbers 12 and 24. LCM of 12 and 24 is equal to 24. HCF of 12 and 24 is equal to 12. Product of HCF and LCM is equal to 288. Product of the numbers is equal to 12 multiplied 24 is equal to 288. So LCM multiply HCF is equal to product of the numbers. We will solve one more example on the board. Okay. Page number 66 from textbook, check point number 12 question. Please see the question. Product of two numbers is equal to 525. HCF is equal to 5. What we have to find out? LCM we have to find out here. These are the information given in the question. What are the informations? Product of two numbers is equal to 525. HCF is equal to 5. So what we have to find out? LCM. See the solution. How can we find out LCM from these all informations? We know the formula HCF multiply LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay, apply these all here. HCF is equal to 5, LCM we don't know, and product of the numbers is equal to 525. Okay, so write down 5 multiply LCM is equal to 525. Therefore LCM 525 divided by 5. 525 divided by 5. From left side, one number is going right side. So we have to divide. So what answer will come? 105. So LCM is equal to 105. So how can we check our answer is correct or not? 5 multiply LCM, we found 105. So 5 multiply 105 is equal to 525. 105 multiply 5 is equal to 525. That means our calculation is right. Okay, you can write this question in your notebook. Okay. Now next question. Check point number 13. Okay. HCF is equal to 12. LCM is equal to 5040. And one of the number is equal to 144. And we have to find out the other number. Okay. This is the question. You can write this question in your notebook and the solution also. Okay, how to solve the question, please see. We know LCM multiply HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. This formula each and every time you have to write this formula. It's very important. Okay. Then apply the numbers. LCM is equal to 5040. HCF is equal to 12. And one of the number we know, that is 144. We don't know the other number. So what we have to do here? 5040 multiply 12 is equal to 144 multiply the other number. Okay. Then 5040 multiply 2. What we will get? Sorry, 5040 multiply 12. What we will get? 60,480. This calculation also you have to show in your notebook. Okay. So 60,480 is equal to 144 multiply the other number. Now the next step is finding the other number. So the other number is equal to 60,480 divided by 144. If we divide the number, what answer will come? 420. What number will come? 420. So 420 is our other number. Okay. This is the solution. We can check your answer correct or not. How? 5040 multiply 12 is equal to 144 multiply 420. The both numbers should be equal. Such a way you can find your answer correct or not. Okay students, these questions please copy your notebook and practice. Students, let us watch one video of finding LCM using different method. Also the properties of Hcf and Lcm. Let's watch.
Lowest common multiple, LCM. Let us learn how to find the lowest common multiple, LCM, of two or more numbers. The lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of each of the numbers. To calculate the LCM of any number, first identify all the multiples of the numbers and then find the smallest multiple that is common to all the numbers. Observe the process of finding the LCM of 6, 12 and 18. First, find the multiples of the given numbers. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. And the multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and so on. Next, calculate the smallest multiple common to the given numbers. The common multiples of 6, 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and so on. Among these common multiples, 36 is the smallest or the lowest. Therefore, the LCM of 6, 12 and 18 is 36. The LCM of two or more numbers may be greater than the number themselves. For example, the LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. There are two methods commonly used for finding the LCM of two or more numbers. These are the prime factorization method and the common division method. To find the LCM using the prime factorization method, first write the prime factors of each of the numbers. Next, express the prime factorization in exponential form, that is, as powers of primes. For example, let us find the LCM of 50 and 140. The prime factors of 50 are 2, 5 and 5, that is 2 times 5 squared. The prime factors of 140 are 2, 2, 5 and 7, that is 2 squared times 5 times 7. Finally, identify the prime factors of all the numbers having the highest powers and take the product of each prime factor with the highest power to calculate the LCM. Here, 2 squared, 5 squared and 7 to the power of 1 are the prime factors with the highest powers. 2 squared times 5 squared times 7 is 700. Hence, the LCM of 50 and 140 is 700. To find the LCM using the common division method, first arrange all the numbers in a row separated by commas. Let us find the LCM of 12, 9 and 6. Next, choose the smallest prime number that divides at least one of the numbers. Here, 2 is the smallest prime number that will divide 12 and 6. Divide each number by this prime and write the quotient below the number in the next row. If a number is not divisible by the prime, write the number as it is in the next row. If none of the numbers are divisible by 2, then divide by 3 and subsequently by 5 and so on. Continue division by the prime numbers till all the numbers in the row are completely divisible, leaving the quotient 1 in each case. Finally, to arrive at the LCM, find the product of all the prime divisors. Therefore, the LCM is equal to the product of 2, 2, 3 and 3, which equals 36. Let's look at some of the properties of Hcf and Lcm, the highest common factor and the least common multiple. The Hcf is smaller than or equals the smallest number. The Lcm is greater than or equals the largest of the numbers. The Hcf of the two numbers is always a factor of their Lcm. The LCM of two numbers is always a multiple of their HCF. Did you know that the HCF of two coprime numbers is 1 and the LCM of two coprime numbers is equal to their product? If the HCF of two numbers is one of the numbers, then the LCM of the numbers is the other number. In other words, if A and B are two given numbers, such that A is a factor of B, then their HCF equals A and their LCM equals B. For example, consider the numbers 6 and 12. The HCF of 6 and 12 is 6 and the LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. The product of the HCF and LCM of any two numbers equals the product of the numbers. That is, for any two numbers A and B, the product of their HCF and LCM equals the product of A and B. Consider two numbers, 25 and 60. The HCF of 25 and 60 is 5. The LCM of 25 and 60 is 300. The product of the HCF and LCM equals 5 times 300, which is 1500. The product of 25 and 60 equals 1500. Thus, LCM multiplied by HCF equals the product of the given numbers.